So good morning. Today is day 2 in Denver. We are going to Rocky Mountain National Park. Last night, whatever I ate in the restaurant, I came home and I threw up. Somehow, I'm not so used to eating outside and I think my stomach has become sensitive. That's why I always prefer to carry food from home or cook wherever we are. So here's my friend. Today we are twinning. Hi Shaili.
Hi.
We both are wearing the same top. And here we're making breakfast here. And this is our lunch. Very, very yummy. Peppers and peas, onion, tomato, mixed veg. And here she's making some breakfast. Masala bread. And we have lots of other things. Oh, parathas kind. Here we are on our way to the Rocky Mountain National Park. The drive itself was so beautiful that we just kept taking pictures and videos. As you can see, it's surrounded by mountains covered with snow and a lot of greenery, and the day was very sunny and bright. So we really had a beautiful time just driving there. There's Walmart on our way. America में हर जगह Walmart like this. So this trip to Colorado actually happened by chance. We had traveled to Puerto Rico in December with our friends, and due to some flight changes and cancellations, they had to rebook our flight from a different city. So we filed a complaint for all the inconvenience that was caused, and they gave each one of us a travel voucher for $150, which we used for this trip to Denver. So we kind of got this trip for free. I mean, at least the flights were free.
When the straight road is there, right?
We just reached the Fall River Visitor Center. We have to get a pass for the day here. The whole drive was so beautiful, some snow-capped mountains and also a lot of greenery. As you can see at the back, all these mountains. Very beautiful. And also it's a bright sunny day. We were told that it's going to be very cold. We got our jackets and we wore sweaters and everything. But actually it's very pleasant, and because of the sun we don't feel so cold. So let's see what else is there to see here. The Rocky Mountain National Park has many spots that we can go to. We went to the visitor center to get more info on that, and they told us that we had to pre-book to see some of these places in the morning. And without booking we would have to wait till 2 p.m. So we didn't know what to do because we had 3 hours to kill. So we spent some time in the gift shop, then we went to another nearby location called Estes Park. Hello. But we barely got to see anything there because we just went there, had lunch, and it was time to come back. How much is it? There's more magnets here. We are here in a souvenir shop, a gift shop. Generally, wherever we go, we try to buy something as a memory. And the most common is the magnet. So this is a fridge magnet that I've bought. लोग जा रहे हैं घोड़े के तबेला। घोड़े के तबेला। Hi. There, if you see on the top, Harshad and Kunal are waiting, and we are here. क्या निकली गए हो?
लाइन में लाइन बहुत છે
લાઈન સરસ છે.
बहुत बहुत बहुत
લાઈન
बहुत लंबी
ખૂબ જ મોટી લાઈન છે. हम so we can see some wildlife which we cannot see from my phone.
हेलो रामू काका and रामू काकी these two wildlife go
बकरिया जैसे को पहले पता चल जाता है. अरे वाह. प्योर अच्छा वाला आइस ये. हाँ ए let's do some snow fight. Kian, are you happy you saw snow finally?
Yes, really happy.
What about you, Diva?
Yes, I'm really happy too. Kian, I found one arm.
So I just took a short meditation break. My friends have taken their kids for horse riding, so I thought it would be wonderful to sit outdoors like this in between such beautiful nature and meditate. And even otherwise, generally people take coffee breaks and tea breaks, and I believe in taking meditation breaks because just 20 minutes of meditation boosts your energy so much, and at the same time keeps the mind very pleasant. So it's the best way to kind of recharge yourself, and especially when you're outdoor in such a beautiful place, I think meditation is even more deeper. So yeah, this is my favorite thing to do. So many deers. We are heading towards the Bear Lake, not Bear Lake, and there is a trail there. We'll be hopefully walking. Oh, this is the bus. अरे वो तो बस चली गई. हर्षद, where are we right now? कहाँ पे हैं?
I think we are going to Bears Lake. I don't know.
Bears Lake.
अच्छा यहाँ पे खड़ा रहना पड़ता है क्या उसको? I think you are.
Oh, बस छूट गई. कोई बात नहीं. हाँ? Oh, he's coming here. बस bus is here. हाँ यही है. Hi.
Hi there.
Come on. Oh, we have to be careful here. This trail is icy. Wow. This is the Bear Lake, and if you see, it's fully frozen. It is end of May. Still, it's frozen. So we are at the Bear Lake, and it's very, very, very beautiful. It's mildly chilly, and the nice chilliness that I like. Anyway, it's getting late. It's almost 7 p.m. and it'll take us about 2 hours to go back to our house, and then we have to eat as well. So even though we love being here and we would like to spend more time, we would have to go back. So this is the end of day 2 in Denver, and I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog. If you did, please like, share and subscribe.